Michelin, you know what? This is the site right here. So when you log into your Sandbox, it's the HTTP docs folder. And yeah, everything looks right. But let's take a look here for a second and see when things were last updated. Site logo JS Cipher config was last updated yesterday at 4:28 p.m. So, and then the stuff that was done before was 9 in the morning. That's the stuff I did for you. So what happens if I download this here? Oops, put it in the wrong spot. Down here, overwrite. Okay, there's the Cipher config. Let me just open this up and see what font size I'm seeing here. There's my thing here. Alright, I'm going to open it in my text editor. I've got to put this in a different window here. It's not playing well. There we go. So I've got font size of 80 here. And let me just scooch over. Font size of 80 here, right? And that was the size that I put up on the server yesterday. So let's just try it with 20. So it'll be really small and easy to notice there's a difference. So I'm going to change it to 20. I'm going to save that. Okay, I'm going to put this back up like so, and then pull up your site 6282. And when I pull this up, it should show me a really, really small. Okay, something has happened here. The index page is now a 0 file size. I just noticed that, and that's why it's not going up. So it probably didn't publish properly. So let me just call up your sitemap page here and see what that does. Okay, and there it is, nice and small now. So that is working for me. So I'm not sure why something's going on with your upload and download. It's not happening, and that index page is a 0-byte file, so it didn't get transferred up properly. For that, I'm not sure why either. And I guess you don't have any regular hosting set up yet for the thing, for the site? Probably not. That's why you wanted the test server. Here's what I can suggest. Okay, so you make your changes locally, right? And here is a copy of your local site. I just downloaded a fresh copy right from your account. When you go to publish, put your cursor over here, do a Control-A, right-click, and upload. Okay. Now it's going to give you this box right here. Make sure you have overwrite and always use this action. So overwrite every file on the server and always use this action. I'm just going to see what our page, if there's any other changes on the site that I can be worried about here. No, it's all the original. So in this case, I would do this like so, and it's going to upload all the pages, and I'm going to put a fresh copy of the index page, which should be around 43 bytes, and I just want to see if it gets changed up here. But that's it. That's all you have to do. Then everything should go up to the Sandbox without a problem, and any changes you have locally. The only thing I think of, and it may sound silly, is if you have backups or copies of the website folder, maybe you're uploading a copy instead of the one you've been making changes to. That's possible. Wouldn't be the first time, but your question about is it going to the right folder on the Sandbox? Yeah, that's the most common issue. Is somebody would upload the wrong to a different folder, or upload the website folder into the HTTP docs, then their site doesn't show up. And we see all sorts of stuff go on there. But anyways, I hope this helps on what I do when uploading a site.